Wairabia mwanchomo ligereria nande ase ensemo intangani iye kionga chinsa inye ekerondo checharagire chinsa inye karibu sana ase meza ya mangana maya ilionko manye kionga chinsa inye munatwabere toko yanyora ase meza itu ya mangana maya tokoletere ase nchira yoboikirano nigo tokobwaterana ne timu ngima elikwana kibunanko yanyorore yemo ase yemo komenta usoko rusigo taiyo aya negatia yali na berengo kwariganiria ase kionga chensa inya egati yali na kwariganirie ase kionga Jumatano
onye wakonyoro mwana mumura wa sodomais that is gender-based violence onye gokorepo mu subati obandi kwanyorantira that is gender-based violence.
Omujumbe we county ya Nyamira umusubati Jerusha Momanyi gochake beno murobeli bwo sira boroki wabanyaruka asobo chenu bwabo.
When they are unwell, the children don't go to school. When they are unwell, the mama mboga will not attend to her kiosk. When they are unwell, that guy at the mujengo will not show up to work.
Wizara yobochenu gochakia omurobeli bwo bochenu omanyekanete buna epuka uchafu nyumbani.
Kuanzia mwezi ujao, mwezi wa 3, sasa tutaanza kujenga madaraja. Hapa tuko na daraja 44 kwa hii Nairobi River.
Omuraibu ense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto gochakie merobeli bene yogosira serikali ya county ya Nairobi asobokoreri au. Nchani gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto karibu hasi kiunga chinsa nye togo chakali mulioka kurua se county ya Nyamira omuwakilishi bwabasubati meye county yu umusubati Jerusha Momanyi nigo litukulia lero abakagwe sokya nakora omurobelyo obokubwatuka ebitamba byobochenu gose sanitary towels gochiase aborokiwa anene abanyaruka ase chinsemo au imeye county yu ya Nyamira mwigo yu nigo kolekana ase getige skuru yoboroso ya Tonga imeye ward ya Bunyamatuta okwana chinga kecho umusubati Jerusha niga bakagote babuna obotaka negati y'ebintu biri byabere bikubaletera abana banyaruka bange obusoku kubwatekana no gutenyara konyora ebitamba ebyo byobochenu chinga kibale asa matukabo muri kito Daniel Ontiri no roboturu asenjera yobwikirano.
I am today launching officially that these sanitary towels should reach every school and every student, and I say makofi jamani.
Ase kaunti ya Nyamira umosike Jerusha niko chinga kecho agikere bikore bibonderia asa abana banyeruka n'abasubati ase kaunti yo nagotabuna chinga kicheikire cyo gwake getuli ase segiyeye
onye gokorepo mwana moke that is gender-based violence onye gokonyoro mwana mumura wa sodomais that is gender-based violence onye gokorepo mu subati obandi kwanyorantira that is gender-based violence, and I am against that. Not only me, but the law of Kenya is against gender-based violence. Lakini asoko nyorwa ayetu atebirina omontonde kwezi oko chiesa na magima y'abantu kabasa kwa eguri bagamenye na inwe osana mutete tuko monto gotanda abantu asitore omonto bunoyo ate bikwagende komenya ali secera asa abantu bamubwiye kaine bari lakini arwe sabantu abaya ekekogera community inera tutageta
asense mwende nigakwanire goro yobomo bomugusi no kugania ko gutwara na gukwana neryogie limo okonya nonye naso kungusa amagendero kurwa serikali enene
na mama county na kinire na beire edyakabere na agendere rogorari na rosiri network na rori bla bakunku bandi bagukwana na ende bakonye bisaku byabo na ite ninde tayari okonye bisaku byito buno mugusi
chinga kechicho mosike Jerusha nigaenekirie bunanare tayari asiganga yaye yage siasa osegeta boiga basubati banda ega Kenya kwirwanirira asa mabaga ao yoborai.
I am there and I will not be intimidated. Bali bakaleta abarandame bamusianga elinde ngoboe I am not going to ndiraga
Jerusha Mong'ina Mumanyi nigo goikekero tokogenda mbeo ari omusubati weka oraririe gochia gokinania enyameni ya gesiasa na barai banda basacha asokorigia na kurwanira ekirgo ky'obogavana ase kaunti ya Nyamira asobochori bogocha egetambokero nonyene bo kiagendire kung'usa ebirengererio ao ase siasa ye kaunti ya Nyamira
mwanyanjeire abantu baminto banyamaiya ngende kurikio obogavana muno omokungu Nyamira mwanzire turikio obogavana obo and I want to assure you itukumuranga obogavana tumuramanyanga egento gekoro revolution kiachikitinzamo chindi bagakora buya balindi bakasubaitire babantu bari bakora n'abakungu
nkorobaterega taseni kyagatembe literane ngoro kwa Daniel Untiri.
Pia muno omurikitu Daniel Untiri asengencho yoroboti ruo asenchira yoboikirano mwanchu morigereria bali bonsi bagendete gutubwate sensemo ya Facebook no tuli muna Getembe TV YouTube no tuli muna Getembe TV naboigo oroboti ruo Daniel Untiri na ruo toira asorobo riboli eliekeunga chinsa inye ase toragani osange ebirengereri byago amo naintwe ine omusike Jerusha Mumanyi na chikonyora libaga liokoba omusubati omutangani omugavana kurwa irabalia gusi ine omusike Jerusha Mumanyi oyole omu women rep county ya Nyamira na chikonyora libaga liokoba omusubati omutangani omugavana kurwa ase irabalia gusi sanga naintwe gwetera ase nambe yure gabo ase screen yago nabogoturikira ujumbe yerenyenge naboigo higalia sensemo ya Facebook naboigo YouTube no tole muna Getembe TV nabogosanga ebirengereri byago elio onyare koba kogotomanya ayabuna omonchu murigereria ekerengereri kyago enkerekieke anene bono ekero omusubati Jerusha aganirie gochikorigia ekerego ky'obugavana osange naintwe ebirengererio elio tomanyenga nanyoreri baga lyo gochikoba omugavana muna omusubati omutangani kurwase lirobalia gusi togo tigana nayo omurikyo monene ase ewizara yobochanu omusubati Mary Muthoni nigo litukulelero achakebene omurobelio bwobochanu oyo manyekanete buna epuka uchafu nyumbani ase birengo bya ebire byogukinia ebirengo byobochanu imeyense ya Kenya kagukwana ase gikaro kyogochakia omurobelio yo Musike Muthoni nigo abeiriga koene kibuna omurobelio yo nigo orengete gochigokora obuchafu ase chinka naboigo nigo rachikogenderera ase gika erikoene kibuna abakenya bonsi ngochwe kabalego singo chikurusi bale obuchafu ase chinka cyabo oroboti oruo ase nchira yoboime
Epuka uchafu, afya nyumbani, turning policy into daily protection.
Buna enchira yemo yokugendera kwenekia naboigo kulinda obochenu ase chinsemo ao murikyo monene ase wizara yobochenu musubati Mary Muthoni nigo abereka gochakyo murobelio bwo kwenekyo obochenu anene ase chinka ao murobelio yo omanyekanite buna epuka uchafu nigo orengete gosegeta abantu wetanga kurwa asa marwire anene ayo akolento no bochafu wetera ase okulinda obochenu.
We are reigniting. We are telling them, hey guys, there is work to be done. And this is how it should be done. Then this is going to culminate into our national launch. And the national launch for Epuka Uchafu, Afya Nyumbani, that becomes an Usafi Day.
Gukwanekerekyo omusubati Mary Muthoni nigo aberiga kwene kibuna omurobelio yu nigo rachikogenderera ase gekigetambe elikwene kibuna kera omwana inchi ngwetangale kurwa ase obuchafu.
When waste is poorly managed, drainage is blocked, water sources are contaminated, and sanitation systems fail, we create the perfect conditions for diarrhea diseases, cholera, typhoid, malaria, respiratory infections, and childhood malnutrition.
Gukwanekerekyo omusubati Mary Muthoni nigo aberiga kwene kibuna omurobelio yu nigo rachikogenderera ase gekigetambe elikwene kibuna kera omwana inchi ngwetangale kurwa ase obuchafu.
When we talk about environmental hygiene, then we add into water and sanitation. This is delivered through our community health promoters, We have 831 community health promoters across the country, and they remain the face of prevention at the household level. Therefore, when Epuka Uchafu Afya Nyumbani makes hygiene, safe water sanitation, and responsible waste management daily habits, not occasional campaigns that we do, but it is a daily habit that everybody becomes part and parcel.
Oboli abantu bonsi koene kyobo chenu ase chinsemo au egati yabo chichiro ne chinsemo chinde asa abantu bakumirana na kobera.
When we keep telling people, please clear the dirt in your markets, it is the consistency in that market that makes them have behavioral change. That is why we are here today. A call to the leadership and commitment is that this moment calls for clear choices.
Na kolengana nere niga marwira kolenta asale nene asichibese chinyinge chigosira nonye na masomo y'abana goturubaniwa awetera ase barabugotagenda chiskuru.
The cost of inaction is enormous. It's even worse. The poor sanitation, the unsafe water, it is Kenya spending tens of billions of shillings every year through treatment, through environmental damage, and through premature deaths. When they are unwell, the children don't go to school. When they are unwell, the mama mboga will not attend to her kiosk. When they are unwell, that guy at the mjengo will not show up to work.
Inkuripoteria egetaseni kia getembe inchoni gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto. Omubunge West Mugirango umusikie Steve Mugaka nigo alitukulia lero aba gakogendereria gwikirania magenderero ase chinsemo aimeye bunge yo egati yabo okoigoro kwebirasi ase chiskuru ibere eria ya secondary ya Nyakiore na boigo eria yoboroso yabo sose ime ye wadi ya Bunyamatuta boigo buna enchere yemo yokorokia obwasioku igoro yokwenana wechi basari ni chamasomo nigo umusikie Steve aba kagwikirania gose aba gakogendereria na boigo gokoba erebieka umonyene chicheki chechi basari uchasaboroki wobonsi abo babete bagokonyeka kurwa ase basari cho ime ye bunge yo asabaga koene kibuna aborokiwa wetania chimia 350 abeskuru yo ya Nyakiore nigo babete bakonyora basari cho muri kito Fatgad Gisemba otwaliganirio roboturu asenjure yo wikirana.
Omubunge bw'ebunge ya West Mugirango Muske Steven Mugaka nigo ritkuria rero agendereria gwikirania amagenderero aho imeye bunge eyo egati ya magenderero ayaiga nuko igurwa kwebirasi aho ase skuru yoboroso ya bosose na boigo area ya secondary ya Nyakiore chonzi chigotoke imeye wodi ya Bunyamatuta umojega boigo omuske Mugaka aria eira yogochia kwena na epasi skuru ya Nyakiore.
Hiyo vitisho mnaniletea ya basi, mnajua mimi ni lichumba. Alafu mnanichezea na basi. Kuja mwezi wa 4 muone hiyo. Please go and tell the fund manager. Next week I want the check for Nyakiore bus prepared. Tulipane nayo ndio tuanze vita ya nyinyi. Na hii story mnanitisha nayo ya basi yangu haitakanyaga matope. That is why I have told the president. That is why I have told my president. Nyakiore, sitaki watoto wangu wakanyage matope. Hii barabara before we go for Christmas tupate imewekwa lami hapa ndio tukae chini.
Aiga ase skuru ya secondary ya Nyakiore nigo boigo omuske Steven Mugaka asira aborokiwa be skuru eyo nechipasari cha masomo abo ase skuru eyo asomwako oyo erache gokonyeka nechishiringi gwetania emilioni yemo yechipasari
356. I have sponsored 356 students from Nyakiore. 1 million shillings and 72,000. May those children and their parents contribute to our getting the best win grade.
Gukwanira iguru yipara ikorwa nyamaiya ubwari yacha gosoka ekerenyo nigo omubunge uyu akwanira okubwatirana okwo babire bakubwatirana asubwange n'omuwakilishi bwabangina imeye county ya Nyamira omoske Cherusha mumanyi eryo kwenekya buna ipari yo nero ngochikubekwere irami
omogiro Cherusha amaisa nyasamo ete kama tuvinga togorerio musacho yo amaisa yao nabepa ikebe kwerani ere sababu lero ndino mogoko kubatangasira une pare ya ito ya toiro bosoku ekero kenyato mugambete ekero moya gambete ekero kibakia gambete rourwa gambete omuyamato tosinya ino bekire pariera mwere buya gosere bobe aende na tebya abantu ba West Mugirango twake siasa yobo ngai omuyamato ligare pe iraisi one gotagata gosoke bintu korbuoye igago koboria no itogo semo bisa akoiguno ito okoigorere bintu byacha buna bigocha
Hinko reporter Getembe Koraigase County ya Nyamira Jeff Atikad Gisemba
Bia muno omurikito Fatgad Gisemba ase ngencho yorobotiro ase orobotironde umukonyi w'umurayi omunene w'ikyamagia Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigo abeire gagukwana gose gakoene kibuna ensemo yo kwamereria serikali nigo irachie koenekya obwene no bwasioku asokuria umurwaniriri wekerugo kyoburayi bwense uyu urachi kwamererania nere umurayi bwense Dr. William Ruto Matiang'i nigo abakagukwana yu echingaki ababwatani b'ekyamagia Jubilee baumerana amo nababwatani bekiama ya PNU.
Get people to align them, to align their visions, their platforms, their plan of government. It takes time. I don't know why we expect that it will be, a 1 day or 2 days affair. We are on a journey, and we hope that by God's grace, that journey will culminate in the best interests of the people of Kenya getting better leadership. That's all. So let's not speculate too much. And then there was no question of reservations. What I had my views on how, because your colleagues asked me how do I think a presidential candidate should be chosen, and I said I don't know. We are going to agree when we get there. But in my view, from where I sit, it ought to be an inclusive process, because in alliance building and coalition building, process is as important as the outcome itself. Because if you have 5 candidates, you're going to go through a process where 4 candidates are going to come back without being nominated the flag bearers. They must have a basis, a credible basis of conviction to tell their supporters that we sat in that place, we went through this process, and we arrived at X or Y as the candidate. And since we are bound by that arrangement, let us now support that candidate. That is how you achieve your objectives. But you see, if you operate on the basis of a conspiracy, you will not achieve your objectives, because how will those other 4 who are not nominated go back to their supporters and address them? How will they explain to them why they are not the candidate? Because if our interest is unity and to bring everybody together, then honestly there is no substitute for inclusion, including the public, and ensuring that we are open and transparent about these issues, talking to people. Maybe you guys from the media, because you are serious guys from the media, you should even organize a presidential debate for opposition candidates so that we come before the people of Kenya. What are we hiding? We are not looking for family leadership, we are looking for public leadership. The people of Kenya should be involved in the process all along.
Magega yo gutwara engusanano yegeka egetambe mono gati yo MCA Duke Masira we ward ya township amo no mugavana we county ya Nyamira umuske Amos Kimuminyaribo nigo bono umuske Duke Masira abereka gotebabuna obekire esegi ya gesiasa ensemo ase bono aganeti kubwaterana amono mugavana Nyaribo ase okubakorera abananchi amagenderero egati yabo okubaroseria ekipara ekyo kisarigete mono na kitari goiteka nabo igokorosigwa wechinsoko ase binyoro ao erikoene kibuna abana kenyoro nkwenyorera baramache bagutumika omurikito Fatgad Gisimba otwaleganirie orobochurwa
amagenderero y'ekipara ayo anene ataraikiraniwa ase birengo bibwenerete ase ekipara kinyinge imeye wodi ya township nakyo keireire omo MCA we wodi eyo Moskedi Masira wesokia na gukwanira kipara ekyo ekibono aburirie omugavana omoske Amos Nyaribo kubwaterana ne wizara y'ekipara koroisia kipara ekyo
watebire ngatoke anise gyake tokorerwe gasi no mugaka asare nera toigwe ngore twatigire nera tokorere gasi kata tokorere tigasi ko tugwitinga bado kemina nonkero so ntu tiga bantu baminto bakorera kipara nakabesa kari tuwabeka gichinsoko to watokere tokorera abantu baminto chinsoko karansari bono mune karumu antu mire ngipara gete niga sarigete nagenda asimbuli ari natebanga abantu baminto batente abantu baminto ba nyaigwa abantu baminto babundo singenja buno kipara kisarigete mono nabantu baminto bakyabira kipara bantebirize excellence ne chimbe
omo MCA oyoboigo obwatukire ogukurerwa ugutindi buna onye serikali ya Nyamira teri gochia koroisia kipare ekyo nigo arachikubasegeta abantu ba township koimokia egetambukiro
barabara his excellence ya musimu Nyaribo toigwe bantu bane batentega bamenyete town gatiba bagusuka kubura tobe mebaswera munandu muntu sunyuko aba pastor Andrew basunyuko genda guchichikanisa singencho bakuru ekenuchime baswe town idio paka bono mambia no bonta keteko na kosabo mugabana taringa ntreti tokoko asama tukumake garu korboni gatonyore nga para chitu nchirikoba bono ni ntwe choko na buturaje treni town ya anu maka turaje ni gembukumbu wekebe paka no na yo tuwo boy bono tinko tuko impi yaru kubo bono impeachment yaru tinga bugati bono no gukana 90% yon stukuru yachi kokonye county ero tukutineni asinge bono 90% turo service toko na kuruire choko
ayaiga niga yakwana kurase omochie bwo mugaka onchweri kwekenyorokia tente oyo emetie nyimeke ya etire osiretie umwana oye na gutiga abana bake egento kiamubetereretie omo MC oyo iga koria eirabuna nigo arachigosira abana abwo abake batigetwe batari no mwibori buna na chikubagurira eng'ombe eira aikirania
naka mori ga gutuka asisi ekenyore kibono buna ketora igatende asoba ko ngubono buno boboko na rushaka mori yaku na ari kenyoro abantu baminto bana guki asobo takabura ke gokora nga baito nuyo ni sara kamori yaku na rushari na baere na mona akorire binte minakora tuate biranga nyasanche iga aka moja kakaronko ari ya banyene kababwate na ndega sibuke kaba kakinia bana bali tuanchire igo
kubatikana hano gwikirani guoko kwire yo nigo kwagokeirwe na Jennifer Onjwari oyo omwana oye asirete na kabatigera abachukuru nigo agokeire egetambukiro ekyo
asamarie tango ku Jennifer Onjwari inche omwana ona asiro kafarini kerubo Onjwari agantigera abana babere oyo mogabwate metie nyebere amano yo manene robwate emyaka 10 oyo nyora nere okumia woko kwa bakabona akabarwa tiuki nabariete ira yo gokonya abana abo chintakane ng'ombe orentire ng'ombe iyo tiganya samusenie biamana nande biamana tari kwera asenginje gwatokoreira manana asenka yaito erinde enyare ko bagego konya mina bono mwana yentigeri bomitie nyebero mwana omoke nkorari yanda gochaso mwana oyo tiganya sandre kusini
Hinko reporter gatembe koroiga tente eye gotoke me ward ya township West Mugirange county ya Nyamira inje Fatgad Gisemba
Biamono umulikito Fatgad Gisimba asengencho yoroboti rutogo sukabosyo aborokiwa hamo na aborokia ase skuru ya Visage Mixed EU secondary kurwa ase county ya Nyamira nigo babeire bakorokia omogokobo monene magega ya barabuo koroserwa egesema kiamache no mumenyi oyomo bwomoyum ya skuru yu nigo yabeire gekonyora mache wetera asugutumeka achibunda na nigo bono yabetege konyora obo obokonyi korwa ase Joseph Nyamweya oyure omumenyi bwense ya Amerika umorokio munene bwesukuru eyo nere nigo abeirega korokia omogokoye ase bono abeirega kwiraniringa mbia mono ase ngencho yokoroiserwa egesime kyononya nabo nigabeirega kurwa okubulia gocha ase chisukuru chonsi echo chigendete gwetera obokongu bunga buno yo gokonywa eriko na kibuna amache tarigo chikoba omuchando ase aborokia amuna aborokiwa.
Is Thomas Bundi, the principal of Gisage High School, Senior School, and I want to say that this is one of the very happiest moment we have as a school, because one of the key or a serious challenge we have had for many years of water has been solved. I want to sincerely thank our friend Joseph Mecha from the USA for his philanthropic support for this project. We have for many years been trying to reach to various government agencies for support especially on this issue of water, but we have not had any assistance. So we had to go out of our way to seek support from even friends, one of whom accepted to fund this project. And what has been done, and any time from now, the water will be connected to all buildings of the school. Our school is located somewhere in a place that is very far from the water points. So we have been relying on use of donkeys to transport water to school, which is hardly sufficient. So this gesture from our friends, we want to thank very much. Schools are experiencing the same problem, and if they can come the way our friend Joseph Mecha did, I think we can alleviate the problems of our people, and I want to believe even the community will have will get some water, because they are also equally affected. So I think the community is also going to benefit, and they are very happy. Actually, when the water was being done, this place was a pier for activity. People were here. Community members have been watching, and it is good that our friend Joseph Mecha has promised that he will ensure that the water has been pumped to the tanks, and the water is delivered to all points of the school buildings.
I will say a big thank you, and more so to us the students. We'll have some importance for this borehole. First of all, we as the boarders will have enough time to at least get deeper into our studies, because mostly the boys were forced to go some days and bring some water from Gitwebe, so they will at least concentrate on their studies. Another thing,
maji ni changamoto kubwa sana, na bila maji hakuna jambo lingine ambalo tunaweza kufanya. Tunampea shukrani kwa moyo mkunjufu alionao akaweza kutuletea maji. Pili, pia imekuwa gharama kubwa katika hii shule yetu kwa
Mwanchomo ligereria oroboti oruo na rogotoira asensement ye kionga chinsa inya mutimo komoke kolende to koira na ntogendere kwemanya amange abuna twabeire etoko yaligani kolendo mwanchomo ligereria gendera gusanga ebirengereri byago ndoche nabange bagendera gusanga na intugali asensemo ye mitandao nabo igogali asensemo ya SMS nabo ogotulikira ujumbe onyale ko bagokorwa ebirengereri byago ine omusike Jerusha mumwanyi oyole omusubati gosomo women represent representative we county ya Nyamira na achikonyora libaga liokoba umusubati umutangani umugavana kurwa ase liroba lya Gusii nabo ogosanga na intwe ebirengariri byago ase mitando nabo igo ase ujumbe wetera ase nambe yuregabo ase screen yago tokoirana kurwa ase umutima komoke ntochigwetera onsi ntochigwetera ebirengariri byago elio tunyareka batokumanyanga aye ebirengariri byago mbere bitobasa gosukare nabo igogendera gusanga na intwe koirana tole ase gekagetari egetambe.
Karibu Borabu Technical Training Institute, kituo cha maarifa, ubunifu na ujuzi wa vitendo kwa maendeleo ya kesho. Katika Computing and Informatics Department, tunatoa kozi za kisasa zitakazokuweka mbele kiteknolojia, ICT, computer programming, cyber security pamoja na digital animation and media. Katika Building and Civil Engineering Department, tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu wa kujitegemea kupitia kozi za plumbing na building kwa ujuzi wa vitendo unaohitajika sokoni. Kwa wale wanaopenda umeme na teknolojia ya mawasiliano, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department inatoa Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronic na Telecommunication. Ndani ya Institutional Management Department, tunakuza vipaji na ubunifu kupitia Fashion Design and Clothing Technology, Hair Dressing na Beauty Therapy. Katika Health Sciences Department, tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za Health Records, IT na Community Health. Na katika Business Studies, tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain. January Intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kibirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746211764 au 0727433205 au 0725533426. Tembelea tovuti yetu www.borabutiti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute, technical skills for development. Lea Wow Kids Daycare ni kituo cha kulea watoto kuanzia mwaka mmoja na kuendelea, mahali ambapo mtoto wako anajifunza kupitia michezo na kukua kwa furaha. Tunatoa huduma za full day na half day katika mazingira safi, salama na yenye upendo. Tuna wafanyakazi wenye mapenzi, subira na uangalifu wa hali ya juu kwa watoto wako. Lea Wow Kids Daycare tunazingatia potty training kwa ustadi, michezo bunifu na ya kuelimisha, shughuli za kujifunza zilizopangwa kitaalamu, malezi yanayojenga akili, tabia na kujiamini kwa mtoto wako. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, Hema Business Park, second floor, room number 2. Wasiliana nasi kupitia 0714824433 au 0752901005. Lea Wow Kids Daycare, learning through play, growth with joy. Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world.
Mwenchumurigireria karibu sensemo ye kiunga chinsa inye ase oroboti irwe kiunga chinsa inye murai bwense ya Kenya umuske William Ruto nigo aberiga koene kibuna emeroberio yogo chikubwatrana gati ya serikali enene amone county ya Nairobi nigo ya chakire elimorioka umuske daktari William Ruto nigalingi ko yakwana yiga chingaki atarira orocherwa Nairobi asomuroberio bwokoroisia orochorwa murikito Sam Miyenda utwariganirie orobochorwa.
Ritukiri Murioka magega yoyo tenereta aba waziri Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi no mugabana be county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja kubeka SAE elio serikali nene chikokonya e county ya Nairobi wikira nimeremo au.
Nairobi is not merely another devolved unit. Nairobi is our capital.
Ritukuria rero nigo muraibense achake mireme yibene ase atarero rochirwa Nairobi gose Nairobi River elio kurotota emireme gendrete asorochorwo.
Waswahili wanasema hayawi si yamekuwa jameni.
Gukwana Ruto nigaene kyo mucho Nairobi noeneke amaonchereria inse yoboraibwae.
Hii Nairobi River ambayo imesumbua serikali zote. Mheshimiwa Michuki alijaribu akafanya sehemu kidogo. Mimi niliwaambia tutatengeneza Nairobi River iwe ni mahali ya makazi na biashara. Itoke kuwa mahali ya chafu na majitaka, iwe ni mahali pa kuishi na mahali pa kufanya biashara. Kuanzia mwezi ujao, mwezi wa 3, sasa tutaanza kujenga madaraja. Hapa tuko na daraja 44 kwa hii Nairobi River.
Ruto nigo boigo aerera umuroberio bwo kubabwatania basasa magendera akwanekia kwenyorera bare engere yabo.
Inaajiri vijana 45,000 wa Nairobi County. Vijana 45,000 wanapata riziki katika mpango huu wa Climate Works hapa Nairobi River. Na nataka niwahakikishie vijana wale mnafanya Climate Works ya kwamba hata kazi hii ikiisha, mimi nitapanga kazi ingine.
Gukwanira siasa muraibense nigo atuguterare abaraibai bakwamereria serikali ase kiria teba mbabwati mu bangonde bwensi.
Our competitors, they neither have a track record for anything they have done in the past. They don't even know and they cannot account for their present. And sadly, I say sadly, they have no vision, they have no plan, they have no agenda, they have no program, they have no vision for the future of our country. Hapa mbele kutakuwa na mashindano. Saa hizi ni wakati wa kazi. Si ni kweli? Hapa mbele si tutakuwa na mashindano. Vikundi ni 2. Vikundi ni ngapi? Vikundi ni ngapi?
Kuripoti rege taseni kiage tembe, Jensam, Miyenda.
Pia muna omurikito Sam Miyenda ase orobotiuruo. Mokonyi bumuraibwense ya Kenya Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki nigo atebiribuna umurobirio nyota nigo orachikogendera asigeka egetambe elikogendera gokonya basai ase chinsemo ao elikwegenderia asa magimabo nigo boigo aberiga koene kibuna umurobirio bwokwenanwa awekingese gya kabere egechibesa nigo orachigochaka bwangoiga na nigo abasabange bakagerego chigokonyeka korwase umurobirio yu.
Nyota is aimed at supporting young people who ordinarily would not be supported. Why? Because, number one, many of them are not credit worthy, and that's why the business grant is perhaps the first major infusion of capital into their business activities. Many of them in the field told us that first batch of 22,000 shillings was the highest amount of money they have ever handled together. So you can imagine what the complete sum of 50,000 would do to millions, hundreds of thousands of our young people. But we have other components that are still outstanding. The on-the-job experience, which will create skills and certify skills of 90,000 young people. The recognition of prior learning that will also assess and certify 20,000 young people, and also 600,000 young people, mainly those who would never have done any business with government, whether national or county government, will be enabled later under Nyota to do business. I am pleased to announce that even after the expiry of the current Nyota project, we are going to put in Government of Kenya resources to target more young people into the future beyond the current project, where we are partnering with the World Bank. By just looking at the outstanding components of Nyota, we have been able to expand the number of beneficiaries from the current age 20, and we project we reach 1 million young people using Nyota. If we bring in phase 2 of Nyota, where we are going to put in Government of Kenya resources, we are going to target perhaps
Wanchumo digereria nara yikorwa se kiunga chinsa inye ase nchira yobwekiranu ase obutuko bwarero kurende nyuma tutarakora ekiunga chinsa inye kubatikana neribwori rina bango kuboria abulitangani ndoche nabange babere bagoturikira ujumbe bagotebanga nara okurukunga Duke Mariga agotebanga nwalime yo murubulio kusinwalime yekiunga kurwa nyamakoroto agotebanga omusike Jerusha Mumanyi nabo akonyorera ibaga lyogosoa ase siasa gusina bakonyorera ibaga lyokoba omugavana kurinderiuka aise gosoa ase nsemo ya Matiang'i. Asante sana. Honorable Douglas agotebanga onsongo kurwa kurwa chinsemo cherigo magwat agotebanga Jerusha Mumanyi lyoka asoya ase Matiang'i tumanye ko mwachikura kurwa kitutu masaba eyo ebyo nebirengera bya Douglas onsongo. Elijah Makuri kurwa kira agotebanga Jerusha Mumanyi tali tabwati bagalinde lyonsi lyokoba omugavana ase county ya Nyamira kurenderi tangani tiga araba women representative arakora emirimo bwikirano amanya gosoa ase ekerogo ky'obugavana ebyo nebirengera byaye Ariet kurwa Kisi agotebanga nerebya omusubati aigweribaga anyare ko bagakora county igo omusubati Jerusha nabo akwegweribaga anyare ko bagakora buna omugavana kurwa ase county ya Nyamira. Joshua Kenani agoteba kuruchinsemo cha Lolgorian agotebanga omusubati nerebyenere aigweribaga elio abantu barore naki bakunyara ko bakora county igo omusubati Jerusha nabwate kende yonsi kelikeganiri erekoba omugavana asigotiga anyarekoba agakwegweribaga anyarekoba agakora. Alex Mauti ndoche agotebanga omusubati Jerusha nabo akwegweribaga lyokugamba buna omugavana korenderi tangani arakorera abananchi banyamire mirimo anyareko bakagukini gwekirego gochikoba omugavana. Ebyo nebirengera byaye nebinde binge ebyo mwabereko mugotutumira bali mwensi mwabere mugotubwatia twatebirenga imbya muno asengencho yokugendera usangana intwe mwanchu murigereria gwikira buno to gwikira omwelio yanda gutwara uburigereri burubya nabo igo ogendere gutwara obutuko burubya wikalitkulia ankyo nande ekero turachigo amasanga mange ime yekeunga na boigo emeroberio ao tobwatanire ne timu ngima elikwene kinga onsi aikiranire boikirano na bigo kwaya nyorira yebuna umwanchu murigereria asenchira yo boikirano ncheni gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto twara oborigeri borobya.
Burabu Technical Training Institute iskuru jibu bundi yijese michekerero na magendero wakwili ya chisemo ao asisemo ya Computing and Informatics Department mbabuate ICT Computer Programming Cyber Security Buigo Digital Animation and Media asisemo ya Building and Civil Engineering Department mbabuate Plumbing Building Technology asisemo ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department mbabuate Electrical Engineering Power Option Electronics Buigo Telecommunication asisemo ya Institutional Management Department Nkurubari Fashion Design and Clothing Technology Hairdressing and Beauty Therapy asisemo ya Health Science Department mbabuate Health Records IT na Community Health asisemo ya Business Studies mbabuate Human Resource Business Management na Supply Chain.
Inje Samarita Dr. Were Mumanyi, the Principal Burabu Technical Training Institute. Burabu Technical Training Institute igere Nyamira County, Kebirigo Market. Burabu Technical Institute igere kosomi abana nade kuru chikosi chinyinge. Chikosi echi igachire chia magoko kose chitokoroka chiko abane skill egere gochimotu banyare gwekorera banyare konyora banigasi bagokoreso bwangu mwiburi onde bwensi ototegererete tubase gutigo umwana mwabere siko ngoko bakibesa njiyo ese institution yaito gose school yaito okorete umwana oyo tumwa praere tumobeke serikali aiguchibesa chie government scholarship gose capitation aiguchibesa kurwe serikali ese motoko ruka help aiguchibesa cha CDF igo mwana oyo kara iruchibesa ichonsi igemindeti nga igagosoma busa tubase gutigo mwana isiko ekihagera ngatubwatie besa morete nabo tokubwatirana umwana oyo anyora masomo achigwe konya na ndachi kubakonya.
Intake January 2026 nigo egenderete ilikirero bwenyo ribaga Burabu Technical Training Institute nigo bagutuka asobare kisi ikonge angene muchoke brego asamange bakiresini inuti isano na ibere inuti isano na ibere inye isano na mo ibere eyemo isano na ibere mo inye inuti isano na ibere isano na ibere inye isato ibere inuti isano Buigo inuti isano na ibere isano isato inye ibere isano na mo kusoma taliri ase website www.burabu.tti.ac.ke Burabu Technical Training Institute Technical Skills for Development.
Asomoro bulio tuwabeire tukwarigania kumulikira obukoreri kurwa serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii inse mugabana Paul Simbarati lero nigo tukumulikira bunge ya Kitoto Chacha South ijebwate chigodi chia Bugusero Bogeka Nyakoe Nyatieko na Kitoto Central imiegodi ya Bugusero nigo eshedi ya bekirwe ase chiro ya eroga abwasabo igo abananchi bagenda kwenye tumekan asamangana yechipara ubwagachi wepara yongicho primary ongaro Nyamagoma nigo bwaikiro mwaliom ubwagachi wepara ya Soli Dago Nyamondo Liaburi